lost in the silence. A world turned cold, but there's a fire inside me, ready to unfold. Every beat, every line, it pulls me in. A spark in the dark, where the real begins. I'm awake in the flow, alive in the sound. Feel the surge in my veins, nothing holding me down. No shadows, no fear, just pure energy. I'll leave my mark, let the world see me. This fire's more than means to an end. It's power, it's life, it's pure desire. A voice in the night set to inspire. Awake in the flow, alive in the sound. Feel the beat in my bones as I burn it all down.